sorry ma'am, but before that, can I know what type of room do you want? We have standard for 3,100. We have superior for 4,200, and we have deluxe for 5,000, and suite for 7,000. What room do you prefer, ma'am?
The last room.
Okay. Deluxe room for how many rooms will be the deluxe room, ma'am?
One.
Okay. Wait a minute, ma'am. I will just fill in the information. Okay, ma'am, I'm glad to say that there is a room availability for that specific day. So, and we will continue the reservation process. So, may I know your home address, ma'am, please?
Katarman, Liguan, Cebu.
Katarman, Lilwan, Cebu. So, may I know your contact number, ma'am, please?
0993 299
299
7067.
7067. For the verification of your number, 092997069. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. So, is this reservation in line with your company or personal purposes?
Personal purposes.
Okay. So, what do you want, ma'am, or prefer for the settlement of payment? Would you like to pay in cash, credit card, or debit billing?
I'd like to pay in cash.
So, you want to pay in cash? Okay, ma'am. Just give me a moment, ma'am. So, okay, ma'am, can you provide the name of the person that I can call whenever you're not available?
Apple, Nagi, Inot.
Apple, Sinabi,
Inot.
May I know the number of Apple, Sinabi, ma'am, and her home address?
0992. Okay. 0967 421
Wait a moment, ma'am. 0967
67 421
421
9201.
920. So, for the verification of your friend's number, 0967421901. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Just give me a moment, ma'am, please. I will just fill in the information that you said earlier. payment, ma'am, is 10,000.
Okay.
So I will receive, and your reservation has been made under the name of Cordova Eliza Rian on April 9 until April 11 for 2 nights, 1 room for a deluxe room, and your mode of payment is through cash. Is that information all correct, ma'am?
Yes.
So, here is your receipt. So, okay, ma'am, do you have any questions, clarifications, or questions regarding your reservation process?
No, that will be all.
So, we'll see you on April 9th in event 4. And thank you for choosing Cozy Hotel. Have a great day ahead.
Ay, alay. Paano? Wako kakapit.